subscribe with notifications on.
You know, otherwise, I face unfair how to how.
Hi, Sister Chan.
Yes, sis.
We're going around just asking one question. Yeah, we are just asking people, is it okay for someone to have two wives?
As a man,
no.
it's not like.
No.
Why?
Like, they don't want to share us, so why do we have to share them?
Yeah.
And you see, the other question that I had was, I asked those guys, I said, why is our South African ladies now moving away from dating our own South African guys and now dating African guys out there? What is the reason?
From other African countries.
I don't know their reason, but I think I'm okay with my Khoza people.
Are you married?
No.
You're not married yet. But if I'll keep her right,
100%.
100%. You see, guys.
Khoza's thumbs up.
You see, guys.
Keep up your thing. Keep up your thing.
Exactly.
I don't know how you're doing it, but you are doing well.
Exactly. She's a cousin and she's happy.
You are doing well.
I'm happy with the Khoza guys.
You see, and while our South African women, they say, I know, I want to leave, I want to go to the...
They don't want to work for themselves. They want money, of which that money is also dangerous for them. They are you.
Exactly.
Yeah,
you see now,
and
she makes sense.
We have met someone like you who's willing to work for herself, not waiting for a man to give them allowance.
Exactly.
But in my girlfriend allowance.
No. Because if you are getting that thing, you won't be able to find a way to make it in your life. But
Joburg girls, Durban girls, bonke abafazi base South Africa, mamelane lo sisi uthini.
But I'm original from Mount Frank.
Yegelana my girlfriend allowance. Hola. You see? Hola.
My Khozas, guys. I'm Khoza.
Hola.
So this is my Khoza sister here.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my sister. Keep it up. Keep it up. Yeah.
Just made me so emotional.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So you see, guys, from Pretoria, Khoza's name.
From Joburg, Khozas are very good women. Very good women. I don't to lie.
So stop saying bad things about us. We are.
You know what? You know how Joburg people sees. You know how Joburg people sees you at Khozas. You know how Joburg people sees you Khozas. Can I tell you? Can I tell you? Don't say you hear it from me.
He's from Joburg. So
I'm from Joburg. We grew up knowing ukuthi bathi amaXhosa bathanda amadoda. So that's why you see, even me now.
Our parents grown up like they got married at a young age. And they were housewives up until now. We have to show them that we have to stood by yourself.
Exactly. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you so much.
Those parents who raised us, like now I was raised by my grandmother. My grandmother, after her husband passed away, she stayed alone. And her husband passed away when she was still young but she never went around looking for other men. She stayed until she passed away.
Exactly.
So
no, thank you so much.
A very good
foundation, I think, is the most important thing. Foundation, my sister. Foundation. But for me, you know what? Me too, I had those beliefs, but after I came to Cape Town, I saw good time. I don't know. You know what? We have a different mindset, but this is not true. My cause when they love, they do love. They don't have foot.
And they don't I'm a Khoza guys. They don't they're not too greedy. They appreciate what they get.
Yeah.
Abathandi sex.
Asma. Yes, you can say that again. Yes, madoda siyafanga phandle. Siyafanga phandle madoda. Bafazi bafuna ma 15 rounds. Bafuna
They are used to these African guys who are drinking things who stand for that.
Exactly.
And it's not healthy.
It's not healthy.
Because you will reach 40 years, then you start having problems.
You understand?
Yeah, man. Maybe now you've been that kind of a person since you were young, and then now you get married, you are tired in your marriage.
You can't perform. You can't do nothing.
You can't even have kids.
Exactly.
You have all those infections
Exactly, exactly. Aish.
keep those
You know, my
men
sister,
close
you
until
speak,
you get married.
you spoke something today. You know, really. Oh, really? Some women don't see that.
Yeah.
They think it's a good thing to do. You know, but they call it a hustle. You know? Hi, my sister. Thank you so much, mom. I really appreciate it. Sabonga, sister.
Angazi ukuthi why abantu bawuthanda sex so much. Umntu ade athi indoda ingonelisi I'm going. Like I don't get it. He's a man. If he decides to come like for 1 second, it's okay. He's tired, so let him sleep.
Exactly.
Another day.
Hey, exactly, exactly. Thank you so much, my
So,
sister.
like, why do they like it so much? Please, why?
They're hyper.
Because when you reach that age, 35, then you will start having problems.
You see now,
Then your mind
they're
will-
hyper.
Because you no longer perform.
Exactly.
You won't understand.
You see? So keep that you are active, so keep it.
Two rounds is enough.
Yeah, exactly.
Save
Up, they're abusing us.
If he can make it to 2, it's okay. He's
Why
tired.
is it enough?
Yes, they are abusing us, my sister. They want 15 rounds.
that's
Hey. Yeah, some men out there. Baba Shia foot, Baba Shia Lamatoto. Baba, they live in them, but I work for alone. Week in bed, what.
And you got all these diseases from all these different.
Exactly.
And
Just
then
makes
they're
sense.
not doing it naturally. Bona bayenza ngama medication,
Exactly.
which is not healthy for a woman.
No, my sister, thank you so much, my sister. Siyabonga,
You are
siyabonga.
so nice. You're so bubbly. I don't know where you from. Where you are working. Uyabonakala uba umuntu osebenza nabantu. You know?
No, thank you so much. Keep it up, my sister. Keep it up. Yeah, your man supposed to be proud of you. I'm saying this.
If you ever come across this video,
You
this
must
is
appreciate.
not-
This is a woman.
This is your lady.
You have
Ever
met.
come
You
across
know what?
this video.
You met a woman. This is a real woman.
Please,
This
I
is
don't
a
know
real
what
woman.
You're waiting for.
Take care of
Sir,
this woman.
I don't know what you're waiting for, sir. I don't see a ring on this finger.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, take over channel name.
Yeah. Then you can just at night when we get home we're going to post. You see we did a lot of interviews.
Okay, you can just save it maybe on WhatsApp. You can search it later when you get home.
Yeah.
DUBS.
You can just send it to yourself. DUBS. BS space
Space.
first time
First.
space time.
That's it.
Yeah.
We got it.
Yeah, that's right. Yes.
You
Thank you
choose
so
next.
much.
Thank
All right.
you so much. It was nice meeting you. Igama? Hassan.
Thank you so much, my
On this
sister.
one, eh? Keep this good like that.
You know what?
You are white.
You're one of the best. I'm telling you.
White material, man.
She's a white material. This one.
Yeah, she is.
She's a white material. This one.
Definitely. Put
That
your-
man he must never waste his time. He must marry. How? Matota. Thank you so much, Susan. Yes, exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right.
Stop a lip.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, kita stop. Hi, mommy. How are you? I'm all right, mommy. I wanna ask a question.
Just
Why?
one question.
Why is our South African women now leaving our South African guys? Now they're going to Nigerians,
Other men from other
Congo,
African countries.
Ghana. Why are they dating
What
these
is
guys?
it?
What is the problem? Because of love. I'm coming to you, my brother. What is because of love?
Maybe the guys here, they can't do their work like this.
I don't understand.
Women
Like-
want somebody who can provide for her.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're right.
And if you can't provide,
So, but what is the problem? Why is our men cannot provide for our own South African women? What is the problem? What do you think is the problem?
you see what's the problem now? The government make the country multiracial. So
Yes.
you can choose. I want the black man,
Mhm.
she wants the white man,
Uh-huh.
I want the colored man.
Exactly.
So now they have a freedom.
They have a freedom. Exactly. To
Yeah,
choose.
it's
And
freedom.
maybe long time ago, in your heart You say to yourself, I want the white man.
But you couldn't get that white man that time. But now it's an opportunity. That's why you see most women now, they're breaking.
They're not going to take a poor white man.